So this is how I refresh my hair in the morning before running some errands, especially when I am in a hurry. This helps me to, look decent without having to tie scarf or anything. Okay, so I'm just going to walk you through my steps. The first thing is I go in with a leave-in conditioner. Actually, I used to go in with water first, but on this very day, water was not close to me and I was really running late, so I went in with my leave-in conditioner. I am using a Mega Growth leave-in conditioner. I will use that to massage my hair. I am not using it on my scalp, just on my hair to give my hair, dampen my hair a little bit before I'll go in with the second step. The second and the last step, obviously. So I'm also going to apply the leave-in conditioner on my strands and squeeze it in. Okay, this method is quick and it is easy. In just 3 minutes or less, you are literally done and about on your way. Okay, so another thing that I like to do is to squeeze the leave-in conditioner on the ends of my hair. Even though I'm going to tuck it in at the end of the day, I still like to moisturize it and keep it hydrated. Now the second part of this routine is sealing my hair with oil. The second part would have been to apply the leave-in conditioner, because I love to use the LOC method. I go in with my water first, then with my leave-in conditioner, and then I seal with my oil. This is just a very fast, quick hair refresh. I'm not really like properly moisturizing my hair. I just want to keep my hair as damp as possible. Now after sealing with the oil and and giving my scalp just a gentle quick massage, I'm going to go ahead and use my tiny combs to brush through my hair. So the process is actually self-explanatory. Okay, then I'm going to put my jumbo twist in a nice bun using this elastic band that is suitable for natural hair. A quick tip is to use this kind of hair band, because if you're using the real elastic band, it can actually snag on your hair and cause your hair to break. Now if that is the only thing you have, especially when you're in a hurry, what you can do is to soak it in oil, and soaking it in oil will actually help to prevent it from snagging your hair. All right, so now that I'm done putting my hair in a band, I'm just going to use a soft bristle brush and brush the edges and brush the front of my hair so it looks clean. Okay, and then to round this entire process up, I'm just going to tie my scarf, and as I'm doing this, I'm checking if I got everything that I need to go, and once I am done checking myself to see that I've gotten everything that I need to be on my way, I will then loosen this cap and you will see what the result looks like. And usually this takes it doesn't really take too much time. The process of tying this scarf is just to lay my hair down properly. I don't like applying gels on my hair all the time, so this helps my hair appear clean. My edges looking clean. This way you are good to go. You don't have to tie scarf, you don't have to wear face cap or whatever. Your hair can breathe and you will look decent. Okay, and if there is any strand that couldn't tuck in properly, you can actually use a bobby pin to help with that. Okay, you can just use a bobby pin to pin that down. Please don't get me wrong, I wear scarves too, but sometimes you just want the hair to breathe. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, please, if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more hair related content such as this one. I love you all. My name is Favor. Take care of yourself and bye.